Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening your laptop settings and going straight to Accessibility or Display. This is where System Zoom lives. Turn on the magnifier or zoom feature and assign a shortcut key or gesture so you can toggle quickly. Once set, choose an initial magnification level and smoothing options to avoid jumpy motion. Doing this now prevents interruptions later and lets you test responsiveness before deeper tweaks. Now refine how zoom behaves. Map zoom in and out to convenient keys or touchpad pinch gestures, and enable hot corners if you prefer mouse triggers. Decide whether zoom should follow the cursor, track text caret, or stay fixed. This controls how smoothly you work. If elements remain tiny, enable display scaling or high DPI mode to increase overall UI size. Once done, test with a browser and a document to confirm readability and cursor tracking feel right. Finish by saving any presets and testing zoom across common apps like your browser, PDF reader, and Office suite so you catch app-specific quirks. If the magnifier feels laggy or causes flicker, restart your machine and check for display driver updates. GPU driver conflicts are a frequent culprit. Make sure to disable other screen-enhancing utilities if problems persist. If nothing works, revert settings and try a different magnification method to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.